So now they got it. When we plant, they say, they don't chop and finish. We go.
No, I think I will make up for the sea and where.
This one, they road though. What of the one way they is a bush?
When we go race, we go fight. The guy where go race, we go fight. We don't want fight. We want where government settle this matter. Because they say, people they collect. Oh God. Why? You see if I count. You see what is happen. See what is happen. This one is small one. This one is small.
Our plantain one with the plant. They don't finish am. If you reach am now, Aboki man go carry collar cut plantain. Car go to chop am. Fulani, they go chop am. They carry the grease band where they tie yam.
Okay, see some now.
See they run, they go down. They don't see am. They don't want pursue them. See they don't run. They run like this so. That's what they take they do am. If you talk, they will carry gun come out.
Gone.
Yes, they get pump action.
Gone.
They get pump action. I pursue one for fun one day. He carry gun come, if I come, he carry gun point me. See, I cannot near now. That's what did they do you? Why they carry your gun come near me? Say, I cannot near them. Before I know what did happen, you go and say, no, they go. Say, I near he go fire. Say, fire me, make I see you now. That's what they run. He come out. Today, as we there here now, we are day zero level.
But to you now, who you to say get to this cow? No, something just enter our community.
Now, government officials, when the day on top, now they get all those cows. Yes, because why? We don't go to come for House of Assembly. Our governor don't hear. 2013, the right of paper say make Aboki come up for this community. That copy of that letter there with me. If they come in house now, we just copy for coming house that day. Nothing happened. Nobody talk put. We don't be Nigeria.
They reach my farm about 115 years. They chop am. Gary, they finish am. All my planting for about 70 acres. Bomb by fire. All this are mala. All this are guys. I mean they are so to pay school fees and not fees to even chop.
No, for sure. I mean, not for sure.
So to even chop now, now problem. Now what for us? We don't know what they happen for this Odigio. I better call help us.
My cocoa yam, my water yam, my red yam, everything. They are scrap all of them. I'm empty now. I don't know what I can use for. I don't know.
English. Calm down.
Okay.
Let's say they pay.
I don't know how I want to survive my life now.
You're not a farmer.
I'm a farmer. I don't know how I want to survive my life now. It's only God that can help me now. So I'm crying for the government to come and help.
Okay, wait, okay. But my people, anywhere you there for Nigeria now, they watch us. Things they happen. You know this herdsmen matter. We don't hear different matter concerning this herdsmen. Yeah. Now we say, okay, we need to enter this community. Because not be everything what they hear for television, they read for newspaper. Now so it happen. We don't enter now. We don't come meet the farmers now. But in case you they wonder where I dey for Edo State, Nigeria. I dey for Ovia Northeast. I dey for one community where they call Digi. Most people here, they be farmers. Now through this farm, they train their family, they train their children. But things don't happen. The matter be say, so herdsmen now don't enter their farm. Plantain farm, cassava farm, different farm, pull fire. But waiting go make them pull fire. But not be today when I start to see all this cow for our community.
Okay, thank you very much. You don't think where they see this kind, you know. But this very year, so this is, last year stroke this year, so this year is extraordinary, ordinary. How? Before, we they see Aboki they come here cow, but they don't many as the many now. And that time so that they carry sick, they carry gun. But this time around now, they can't carry gun. The kind of ammunition where they carry, our army itself not even get them. If you don't inside a farm, a plantain farm now they do. Well, I get almost 200 and something acres of a plantain farm. Both my new farm, both my old farm, they don't finish all. They go provide for the next one, and inside that farm now for the feed my children. They take care of them. They pay their school fees. Then even the remaining plantain where they inside farm 1 hour after they don't put fire. I enter inside farm make I go cut plantain. After they cut the plantain, they heap them for ground. Before me to come make carry, they don't chop the plantain. Oh God, don't general see for my this thing here. Then finish all the whole plantain. I go to my garden farm when I plant, hoping I won't use the garden to take care of my boys. Then finish all the whole garden. Okay, they turn out to field.
Wait, to you.
Huh?
Who you to say get to this cow?
Oh God, to tell you the reality, now our politicians now then get them. Our people where they on top now then get them. That's why they don't want to put. We don't carry this matter, go different places, go both government house, House of Rep, everywhere.
Okay, my people. Investigation now, what we don't carry out now be say, we don't see I'm saying.
Come to our rescue for Edo State.
Politicians and some men will get money for this our country. Now they get this cow. But federal government don't put much for the matter. Say make it be colony, but some states don't agree. Why some states say they not go agree? They not go give their land to herdsmen. Maybe say that they come to train cow. Say anybody will get cow, just like person where they train goats or where they train chicken. Anybody will not say want train any animal. Make you go look for land wey be say go first round, e go cage round, wey be say go for training animal. But wetin come dey happen now for Nigeria now be say na the kili.
Where dey inside?
Wey come dey inside now.
You know wetin pay me for inside?
No.
Well, guy on top, dey on top. He wan talk now. He say make dem disarm vigilante, disarm all those ones.
Inspector General of Police.
Inspector General of Police. And he no open mouth say make dem disarm all those herdsmen wey dey carry all those guns.
But you mean say gun still dey with them?
He no with them oh. No one of them wey you go see wey dey carry gun.
Go look for them.
Go look for them now.
Go look for them.
Go look for them.
Let me follow you go look for them.
You go run now because if you see the gun, you go.
Osunu, wetin dey happen?
You know the guy water. Wetin dey happen for this your community?
Na now you ask. Wetin dey happen? Na be say, as you don go round just now, you don see everywhere say no see go green leaf for the community again.
I think say na harmattan cause am.
No be harmattan. Na Fulani cow people. Na dey pull fire. No other person dey pull fire. Na they pull fire. When they don eat the farm finish, they go pull fire. Anywhere where the fire not reach today, when they break, they go put for another place. Everywhere our plantain, now they take feed their cow. Our yam, me we just they talk now. Now the yam where they chop with my family, now I feed they do now, they do the one with them they sell. Now me want go back to market now, go they struggle with other people because about 600 tubers of yam. Where I just gather down, they just read there, cut them, give cow, then chop them, no single one remain. Plantain, they go draw down, they go chop them. The fruit, they go chop them. When they don't chop finish, they will put fire. My cocoa farm, I have about 4 hectares of cocoa plantation. They put fire. As I'm standing now, I'm standing alone. Nothing to eat.
It concerns me. It concerns me very well.
Wetin concern you? Wait.
All farm bond.
Wetin concern you for this matter?
It concerns me very well.
Why concern you?
All my farm bond. Yes, without being told.
We not get anything.
No garri, nothing whatsoever. I'm proud of saying it. Yes, now without being told.
They go your own.
Yes.
Mommy, wetin concern you for this matter?
Ugbi guy, man.
Mommy, come. Wetin concern you for this matter?
The thing wey concern me, my farm. Ugbo we ni gbega iji, ekigbe. Ti awa finish awa vule ario. Ugbi nyana awa memu ikalaba ihiyan awa me ya gbogbo. Ugbi nyani ya igwa so ni magwa ha ya na gwa fanu ya na gwa gaga ya igwa be ikalaba ya na gwa ri AK47 ya na gwa ri de kalaba na tulemu. Awa me na tulemu. Aka tiri eka ya na gwa vule ya na gwa ri ya na gwa mwerejo. Ugbo koko wa awa me about 10 eka ya gwa mwerejo ya wa go.
The matter, it concern me because now only farm me they do. I take feed myself and my family. But the one way is serious.
Also produce for Nigerians.
But Nigerians make them the job. The one way they pay me now say as this matter don't grow rich. Everywhere news they carry up. Everybody see what they happen. Nobody they come and say make they come help the villagers who make they come help us drive this cow come out. And wonderfully, we don't know who get the cow. Number 2, where did these people come deposit for our own state, for our own village? We never know. Because the motive when they take come, not be as they take rear cow, not be they take the rear this cow. Cow they come here before they will chop grass come on, but this one, they occupy the whole land. And where did they carry go? I mean, when they carry go, whether they carry other one join them, we never know. So make people wait this those states, make them stand well. Strangers wait there among us. If they go hide weapon for inside bush, say war won't come. We know we stand these strangers. The whole cow men, they put cow as these guys. They don't monitor our farm finish. They don't monitor our land finish. If anything happen today, we the indigenous of Edo State, we don't get where we go hide. This is one thing I want make our stakeholder, our oga for state, they think. Not be say if they happen to village, you know, consign them. He go consign them. I like me where I did now. And I just said cocoyam before. I dey sell garri. Now I no get to sell. If I get small, I go chop. I no carry go.
The rain wey dey black, make dem no let am follow.
You say?
Rain wey dey black, make dem no let am follow. If the rain fall, rain won't follow. We dey tell government, it won't fall. The rain won't fall. The rain don't black finish now. And it don't reach. It don't reach. They don't push us now. To war.
They push go to war.
If government no quick come, if they don't come, if you see we are farm now.
You don't finish all our farm. They don't go bomb our hut, bomb machine, burn everything. All our CDM, they don't collapse now. We don't have anything in farm now.
Okay, what concern you for this matter?
The one way just concern me. Now here they bomb me. The only school we are gonna be secondary school. Government not give me work. My children don't finish now. I get 3 graduates. They don't get work. Government say make we go to the farm. Now I carry them come inside farm. Farm where they carry now, they don't burn all. The one way they not burn, cow don't graze her. It don't graze her. I not get chop now as I stand now. The thing I want. Wait.